Number 10, all of the values in the equation are exact. Which value of C makes the equation true? So again, we're going to use the slider function. 3.22 times 10 to the, need to put, if I don't put parentheses, if I do 3C plus 5, for some reason it drops down. So I need to put parentheses up in the exponent. 3C plus 5 times 6 times 10 to the 5th. Again, I'm going to add slider, and I can use my answer choices. So when C is -4, I do not get 193.2. When C is -3.3, I get 24. -3, I do get 193.2. So C is the correct answer.